What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another AI generative video with MidJourney and ChatGPT combined. This one's going to be Back to the Future themed. This is some of the prompts that it gave me for today. But if you guys have any other ideas, go ahead and fetch it over. Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and all that jazz. Without any further ado, let's get into it. So I'm going to leave all the prompts before we see the actual image. You guys could pause and copy it and check it out on your and see what you guys generate. This one looks pretty cool. Look at that. That's nice. Love it. The explosion, the rock, the DeLorean just flying through. So you got neon signage, flying cars in background, cyberpunk aesthetic, dynamic angle. See how this one comes out. Check out the hoverboard. Got a little bit of the classic and another futuristic one. There's so much you could do with like MidJourney, guys. Here we are, is dystopian, alternate 1985 Hill Valley, Biff. Oh my goodness, tycoon neon casino lights. Oh wait, what? It ain't the Biff one. Oh, it could be Biff. That's him probably like standing right next to the DeLorean. Okay, Doc Brown as 1950. So in MidJourney, sometimes you'll get what you're asking for, and sometimes it'll just try to figure out what it is. There, oh, it's not too bad. Okay, I can see the Doc. There he is. Looks like a madman on the bottom right, though. Check that out. It's Doc Stark. Could survive Biff and Tannen's alternate timeline. See how this looks. All right, they kind of got it. The first one on the top left. But it's interesting to see like what its interpretation is for all these prompts. Time vortex, 1980s retro futurism, cinematic lighting, high detail, rain effects, sci-fi city. Oh, that's sick. Look at that. Even had the logo of the car. Nice. There you go. Real science behind the flux capacitor. What is the real science behind the flux capacitor? Let's check it out. That's cool. That's like a time machine right there. Look at that top left one. Inside the vehicle. Dang. That's like modernized. Alright. There you go. Reimagining DeLorean in cyberpunk style. This is before cyberpunk even was a thought. Before it even come out. There we go. Ah, a nice kit. Check that out. That's cool. Let's see what else we got. Dystopian, alternate 1985 Hill Valley, Biff Tannen. Okay, it's Corrupt Tycoon. Blade Runner vibes. I can see. You know, they're all very similar, honestly. The futuristic style. They really set the bar for Back to the Future. What if Back to the Future happened in 2085? Dang. It's a ways from now, folks. Let's see what we got. Still looks the same, but still looks good though. See, go ahead and mess with MidJourney. You can honestly even put like one word and it'll generate something for you guys. Marty and Dot accidentally land in 2099. My AI overlords. Okay, police force reset timeline before all the Hill Valley becomes a digital prison. Whoa, okay, this one gave us 4 different ones. Well, 2 of them are Legos. And one, the background, kind of like an anime. The hoverboards is different in this one, but I'm really digging the DeLorean on the bottom left side. It looks like supercharged flux capacitor. Alright guys, well, let me know what you think about the video and go ahead and fetch over any further ideas. I'll throw it on the AI generative on MidJourney and then we can see what we could all make together. Don't forget, you could check out the prompts and see what kind of results you guys get in your MidJourney. Have a good day, folks.